make slime without glue and borax. Let's get started. Okay. Take fairy gum, not Fevicol, or else your slime won't work. Just a little bit. There we go. Creamy. Some baking and some shaving cream. Wait. Where did the cream go? There we go. Some shaving cream. Now mix it all up. And reminder to use only Fevicol, or else with Fevigum or any other glue, your slime will not work. Mixing. It should give this reaction. Now leave the slime inside. Now play within your hands. And done. Subscribe for more, please.